Hi everyone, it's Dr. Divine here, and I wanted to do, a weekly Wednesday update regarding some of the questions I've had for 7736 on your upcoming lesson plan. So just to clarify and make sure that you completely understand, you will be writing a rough draft lesson plan for me this week, due on Sunday, along with an associated unit pre-plan. The pre-plan is really just so I can see whether you can connect the lesson plan to what would essentially be probably a broader unit. So you're not going to go into full-on unit planning. You're going to fill out the template with a basic idea of maybe what else you would have or how that lesson plan fits in with your scaffolding of an overall unit. So the templates are there for both the pre-plan piece as well as the lesson plan. And I know you all took 7631. The lesson plan format is one of the ones we used there. So the template is very explicit. It talks about each component and what you should have in each part. So answer all those prompts that are in there, and that will really, really help you to make sure you have everything you need within this rough draft. And this rough draft should be designed to be taught in mid to late February in your field placements. So for those of you who are working full-time as teachers of record or as paraprofessionals in special ed classrooms, you should be planning this lesson to be taught in that class, okay? So if you are a paraprofessional, you'll want to work with your classroom teacher closely on the fact that you need to be teaching something, and teaching what you're going to, and work with them on what you're going to plan to teach. And then make sure that they're aware of the different teaching requirements you have for this course. And if they ever want to talk to me about those requirements or any other information regarding this course, please give them my email, my phone number, and I'm happy to chat with them about that. Those of you who are teachers of record working full-time, you basically have management of your classroom, so this should be pretty easy for you to plan and implement. But I want you to be writing a rough draft for a lesson plan you would teach in mid to late February, okay? Those of you who are waiting on field placement, there's one or two of you still waiting on that. What you're going to do is just write your lesson plan for the grade bands that you will receive field placement in this course. So either write something from grades 3 through 5 standard or grades 6 through 8 standard. And then hopefully your first placement will be in the setting you choose. If not, you and I will work together on that, okay? We will problem solve that situation. I'm still waiting for word from the field placement office on that. So hopefully that helps build your understanding of this. This first one is just a rough draft, so I'm not anticipating perfection by any means. What I'd like you to do though is complete each component of that template and the pre-plan for the overall unit idea. And then I'm going to give you, hopefully, I'm going to give you lots of feedback, and you will take that feedback and apply it to the next revision of this same lesson plan, okay? In the meantime, please let me know if you have any questions. I can't read your minds. So if you're struggling, I have no idea. So please either put something in Ask the Professor if you think it's a question maybe a lot of people have, or if you would like to have a more private conversation, email me. We can set up a Google Hangout. We can set up a phone conversation if you think that will help. Just let me know what you need. Okay? Thanks everyone, and have a great week.